welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to fix sheet on drawing board or table. So let's get started. So for this, first we will have to adjust our mini drafter at 0, which means an angle of 90 degree. We have to adjust our sheet according to it. You can see how. I'm adjusting the left hand side, and when it's satisfied, you have to stick tape on its one of the corner. It's the bottom one. Now I'm adjusting its top corner of left hand side, and then again stick tape on it. You can also use drawing pins. Now get to our right hand side's corner. And you can see it's balanced. And then on both the corners you have to stick tape or drawing pins. All four corners are correct, so let's check it, and you can see that it's balanced and coinciding with each other. And this is how your sheet will look like. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.